Hey everybody, today we're going to be testing some body armor against 7.62 by 25 out of the Norinco TOKAREV. I have heard that 7.62 by 25 will penetrate body armor. Well, let's find out. This is a level 2 plate and we've got some level 3A that we're going to test after that. So we're going to get loaded up and see what happens. Okay, so we are loaded up. This is PPU hollow point ammunition, and we'll take a shot. So here is, looks like our entrance hole, and here's the projectile. Keep in mind this is level 2. We've got a stitch tear in the back, but it looks like it has captured the round. In fact, we'll cut that out of there. And it's hot. That is our round. It looks like level 2 did stop the 7.62 by 25. So unless we try a full metal jacket, looks like you would be safe with level 2 against this particular cartridge. All right, so we're going to move just a little bit closer and I'll give you a close-up of this round. It's the hollow point by PPU, somewhere in the 100 grain range. We're just going to step a little closer, see if we get any more damage on this thing. So again, here's our hit, and it feels like did not pass through. I believe feels like it's right there. See if we can cut that out. I believe it's embedded there inside the armor itself. We'll probably dig that out later, but we're going to end up shooting this with some other calibers. All right, so we decided to take this panel off of the steel just to give it an open backing. There are a couple of steel plates behind the sides, but here should be open. Let's just see if we get a different result. Here's our entrance. Or actually, here's our entrance. That was from the last time. And no back penetration. You can see the projectile there. So even with no hard backing, it's still stopping that. Anyway, again, thanks for watching. Hope you like and subscribe. And this is the end of the body armor test. We ended up shooting it with the 7.62 by 25, the 357 Magnum and 357 SIG, 45, and then some 9mm plus Ps. So this is the front. You can see how this ballistic fiber starts to come apart. This is fairly intact here, but you can see the weave is starting to just kind of degenerate there. And here is the rear of the armor. Pretty bulged up in here. There's a trauma plate in here and a lot of lead splatter. All in all, it withstood quite a few rounds before it got to the point that it was penetrating it. So I hope you like this.